Let me share a quick story about how I have been feeling from past 2-3 days. I have been watching Harry Potter movies from last couple of days, and I finally completed the final movie today. And a feeling kept on lingering with me. I was so much immersed in the movie that I got fascinated by all the magical world which was created. The Hogwarts and all the spells and everything. So I wondered that what is this feeling which is lingering inside me. The thing which happened was that I felt each and every emotion very deeply. And I was fascinated by the beautiful world, magic, spells which was created, and then somewhere I thought that I should be part of that world. Human minds, we crave for imaginary worlds. We crave it not just to escape from our reality, but such emotion. They give emotional fulfillment to us. They give us the curiosity, they give meaning to our lives. Human mind is wired like that for stories are a type of simulation for us. What type of simulation is that where we can safely we can explore all the threats or dangers, love, all those things, bravery and also magic. Even if the world is more dangerous, these worlds offer us structure, they offer us purpose, and sometimes a sense of belonging also, which actually we don't actually share in a real world. So, in these stories like Harry Potter, characters have a clear path, close bonds, and destinies which are bigger than themselves. So, these all resonate deeply with humans. Our normal life is uncertain, mundane, or chaotic. These feel like a relief from the reality. And actually what happens is that whenever we see such characters, our brain actually releases dopamine and oxytocin, and we get that high, we feel the sense of goodness, we feel the sense that we are alive in that moment. So this is the main reason why we are fascinated by such characters. Also, fantasy gives forms to things which we can't explain, like love becomes some spells, or loss becomes a ghost, or evil becomes a snake-headed villain. So all these structures which we lack in our real life, they are given by these fantasies. So these are the, and obviously escaping from the reality is one thing, but all these are the reasons why we are drawn towards them. And it is good until the time you're not delusional. It is really good because it is a good defense mechanism which our body and our brain builds to escape from the reality and actually repair us and make us feel alive. It simplifies and magnifies the life so that we can feel the life more vividly.